When I first started window cleaning, I was worried about cleaning windows in the rain. I was also worried what would the customer think of me. In this video, I'll explain why you can clean windows in the rain. Hello there, my name is Rob. I'm a window cleaner and I make videos about window cleaning, the kit and equipment that I use, and also the services I provide, like gutter clearing or cleaning the fascia soffits and gutters. To help me grow my channel and providing you like the video, why not give us a like or subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep notified of any new content. If you have any questions or feedback for me, then put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. As you may already know, rainwater is very soft, so if I was to come and clean your windows and later on in the day it rained, what will happen is when the rainwater dries off, you'll still have clean windows. This is because the rainwater is so soft, and also is the fact that your windows will clean. Now if the windows are still dirty and it rains, the rainwater will absorb all the dirt from the windows and run down the glass. When it all dries off, it will leave behind watermarks. So if I was to clean your windows in the rain, it would still dry off and leave no watermarks behind because the windows are clean. Between your window cleans, if there's been heavy showers, it actually helps me out and makes my job easier because the rain will have rinsed the glass and it helps keep them cleaner than normal, so my job is easier. For us window cleaners, we simply will not work in heavy downpours. This is just simply because we'll get completely soaked for the rest of the day. This isn't fun when it's cold and windy and we just get the inside the vans completely soaked. So you'll find us window cleaners will still work in the rain, but in the big downpours we'll just sit it out. If we all stopped working just because a bit of rain was forecast, I'd have to put my prices up. Otherwise I wouldn't earn enough money to run my business, let alone pay the bills and the mortgage. Now that being said, I still have some customers who don't like me cleaning their windows in the rain. It's their windows, and at the end of the day, I simply have to respect that. If you've got customers who don't like their windows being cleaned in the rain, put them in the comments below and tell me how you work around it. I just go with the flow, but I do explain to my customer that all my days are pretty much maxed out. So it's hard to catch up on a clean when the weather's good and all my days are really packed out. I do warn them that it may be a case that they have to skip and wait until I get to the next clean. I also explain that I can clean windows in the rain and tell them to try and give it a go. If they're not happy with the clean, they can always ring me and I have to come back and re-clean the windows anyway. It's a good way for the customer to try and get confidence in the fact that I can clean windows in the rain. I do have a couple of houses where the windows will still dry funny and I just simply know I have to treat them differently and I can't clean them on a rainy day. Again, if you have any windows like this, put them in the comments below. If you like the video, why not give us a thumbs up? If you've got any questions, then please put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. If you're new here, why not consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell icon to stay notified of any new videos. Look forward to seeing the next video. Bye for now.